friends, welcome to this Saturday 9 p.m. Talk with Dr. Sujata. Today's topic which I'm going to talk about is mindset in lockdown. In these times, various thoughts come to our mind. Will this phase help us wade through and we be able to see life again? Will the new changes, the new life which will come up, will it be adaptable to us? Will we be able to lead life with the same freedom, with the same mindset with which we led before? What is happening in your mind right now is of utmost importance. And based on it is what is the life we will be able to thrive through during this pandemic and post-pandemic. There's a wonderful saying by Sant Kabir which I would like to quote here. मन के हारे हार है और मन के जीते जीत, कहे कबीर पाइये पाइये मन ही के प्रतीत. If we are able to conquer our mind, conquer our thoughts, harness our minds, we will be able to win. That is, if you do not give up, if your mindset is such that you are not going to give up, then you will definitely succeed. But if you are not ready for that, if you do not surrender yourself, do not be adaptable, if you do not understand that the higher power which is controlling all of us, which is helping us, is always there with us, then we will not be able to succeed. It is very important for us, all of us, to know that there is definitely a higher power which is guiding us, which is supporting us, and we need to surrender. How long can we live in fear? How long can we live in despair? How long can we just be seated looking after how is our life going to be? It's time that we understand life need not be the same it is, but there is definitely a way which it could be better. Now, what are those ways? The most important tip which I would like to give today is stay calm. Staying calm is not easy though, but if you practice staying calm by detaching yourself from the fear, then yes, staying calm is getting easier and easier. Secondly, look at your life. What is it that you want to do? What is it that your dreams are? Write them down. See what you can do right now in this lockdown. What are those plannings you can do right now so that you can create the future environment which will help you realize your dreams. Not necessarily just materialistic dreams. It could be a simple dream as speaking to all the people you haven't spoken to for so long, not having time to connect to them. Could be as simple as writing a book, maybe just a small book of your poems, your thoughts. It could also be understanding yourself better. With regards to materialistic things, your finances, now is the best time to sit down and look, review your finances and see what is it that needs most importance and how you can revamp the whole thing. It is not about how much you have or what you have. Now is the time that what best can you do from what you have. This mindset is going to help you not just move ahead but also be able to control and take charge of your life in whatever situation here right now. This lockdown, mindset in lockdown, talks about what we truly are. What are the beliefs we carry with us? And those beliefs makes us think the way we think. It could be a simple thing as, what will happen if I get the COVID? What will happen to my family? Now, the most unpredictable thing, nobody knows what's happening and nobody knows what's going to happen. So when things are not in our control, it is better to leave it away and do the things which are in our control. Just imagine, in all this time, if the family gets together and works out on every possible resource they have, every possible thing that they can do together, do you think they will have much of repentance even if something happens? And what if, even in this time, they are staying in a space of anger, frustration, or also feeling lost, disconnected, being in a blame game? Then at the last point, it's only going to be regret. So we never know what's coming up with whom, but definitely what we can do with the now is very important. So I guess what we need to do right now is look at our mindset in this lockdown. See that we make the most of what we have. It is not about resources. It is about being resourceful, having gratitude for what we have and making the most of it. Living your dreams right now in whatever resources you have. Doing and preparing for the real dream to be coming up. Live in the now and see as if you are my time to revamp my life, to look at each and every aspect of my life and create a plan, create the change, not for tomorrow, but for today. So I guess all of us need to be starting to work on it. And once we do that, our life would be lighter, easier, and we will turn out to be positive human beings, creating a change not just for ourselves, but the whole environment wherever we are. So guys, follow your mindset, be aware of your mindset, create the changes. A small change each day will lead to a massive change, a whole transformation. And then you will feel, yes, I took life as it came and I did my best. That's very important. All the best and looking forward to seeing all of you again next week on Saturday Wisdoms at the Spiritual Cafe with Dr. Sujata Singhi. Bye bye for now and have a wonderful, positive, strong, resourceful mindset in this lockdown. Thank you and bye bye.